Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch CitiBank to an Access Bank. So the first thing that you'll need to do is this is done automatically. You don't have to do it by your own, as you can see. So from here, as you can see, so we are delighted to welcome you to a new brand word. Basically, as you can see, so our acquisition of the consumer banking business from Citi, as an example, to Axis Bank. And a change of this nature will require a transition phase, and we are committed to ensure that this is a seamless one. During the duration, of course, you can enjoy the product's benefits, privileges, and relationships that you have been accustomed to. Your bank account, Citibank information, like credit card numbers, debit card numbers, checkbooks, all the other stuff will remain the same. And you can also continue using the mobile app, the Citi mobile app, or online, or even reach out to Citi phone. So you may even not have known or noticed that you switched to Access Bank. Normally you should because they will send you, like they have to tell you or they have to inform you. You've probably been informed, but you ignored it or something like that if you didn't know. The only change will be is Citibank branches will now be branded as Axis Bank for all your needs instead of Citibank. It's all just the branches will be changed from Citi to Axis. So any other information that you want to know about branches and ATMs, bank accounts and the like debit cards or something like that, I don't know, all the other information that you want to know, you will have to choose here whatever you want. And you can scroll down to the frequently asked questions as an example here. And you can, of course, see all the information that you want about here. How to access this page, you can just type the ID of this video and click on the second link as example, or go to this link right away. So accessbank.com/DILSE open welcome / and you should be taken here. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.